In September 2000, federal elections in Yugoslavia formally ended the autocratic rule of Slobodan Milosevic, who had entangled his country in almost continuing war, first with the breakaway republics of Croatia and Bosnia 1991-1995, and then in the Serbian province of Kosovo in 1998, where an inter-ethnic violence erupted between Serbs and Croats. Montenegro declared its independence on 3rd June 2006. 2 days later, Serbia officially proclaimed its separate identity. The next country is Slovakia. Capital is Bratislava. Government is parliamentary democracy. Area is 48,845. Language Slovak. Religion Catholic 60%, others 30%. Currency Koruna. Population 5.4 million. Growth rate 0.1%. Life expectancy 75 years. Ethnicity Slovak 85.7%. Hungarian 10.7%, others 3.6%. Urban population 57.2%. Arable land 31%. Agriculture, grains, potatoes, sugar beets, fruits. Industry, metallurgy, food, electricity, nuclear fuel, chemicals, vehicles. Export, machinery, transport, chemicals, fuels, minerals, etc. Geography. The Republic of Slovakia is bounded by the Czech Republic from northwest, Poland from north, Ukraine east, Hungary south, and Austria southwest. History. Slovakia was under Hungarian control from the 10th century to 1918. After the collapse of the Habsburg-ruled empire in that year following World War I, the Slovaks joined the Czech land to form Czechoslovakia. It remained a German protectorate from 1939 to 1945. On January 1969, the whole area became the Slovak Socialist Republic, Czechoslovakia. A strong Slovak nationalist movement began in 1989 with the demise of communist power. The Republic of Slovakia came into existence on January 1, 1993. In April 2009, incumbent Ivan Gasparovic won the presidential elections with 46.75% of the vote. Slovenia. The next country is Slovenia. Capital is Ljubljana. Government parliamentary democracy. Area 20,253 square kilometer. Language Slovenian. Religion Catholic 70%, others 30%. Currency Slovenian dollar. Life expectancy is 76.5 years. Ethnicity Slovene 91%, others 9%. Arable land 12%. Agriculture wheat, potatoes, sugar beets, corn, grapes. Industry metallurgy, electronics, textiles, chemicals. Geography. The Republic of Slovenia is bounded by Austria from north, Hungary east, Croatia south, and Italy west. It is largely a mountainous land and half of its area is forested with hilly plains. Mount Triglav is the highest peak. History. The Habsburg monarchy was first to include the Slovene regions in the Austrian-Hungary Empire. In 1867, Slovenia and Croatia became part of the dual monarchy of Austro-Hungarian Kingdom. After the fall of this empire in World War I, Slovenia joined with Montenegro, Serbia and Croatia and the Kingdom of the Serbs. Croats and Slovenes formed in 1918. It named it was named Yugoslavia in 1929. It was occupied and divided by Germany, Italy, and Hungary during World War II. But with their defeat in 1945, Yugoslavia again came into prominence under Tito. The first multi-party election was held in 1990, which strengthened the freedom movement of Slovenia. On June 25, 1991, the land declared its independence. Next country is Spain. Capital is Madrid. Government parliamentary monarchy. Area 504,782 square kilometer. Language Castilian Spanish. Religion Catholic 99%. Currency Euro. Life expectancy is 79.8 years. Ethnicity Mediterranean and Nordic types. Urban population 76.4%. Arable land 30%. Agriculture grain, olives, wine, grapes, sugar beets, citrus. Industry textiles, apparel, metallurgy, machine tools, tourism. Export cars and trucks, semi-finished manufactured goods, foodstuffs, machinery and electrical equipment. Import machinery and transportation equipment, chemicals, petroleum, electrical equipment. Geography. The Kingdom of Spain is bordered by the Bay of Biscay and France from north, the Mediterranean Sea from east and southeast, and Portugal and Atlantic Ocean from west. Most of Spain has a form of Mediterranean climate with mild, moist winters and hot, dry summers. History. By the 16th century, Spain was the most powerful country in the world. But gradually the Golden Age began to decline. England defeated the Spanish Armada in 1588. French troops occupied Spain in 1808, and in mid-19th century it was torn by internal struggle. Following the abdication of Isabella II in 1868, a short-lived constitutional monarchy was established, and Spain's control over Armada ended in 1898 during the Spanish Armada War. In September 1923, General Primo de Rivera led a coup and abolished the 1876 constitution. In 1930, King Alfonso XIII revoked dictatorship, but he bowed before a republican movement and left Spain in 1931. Manuel Azana became the president in 1936 after winning the first general election, but Francisco Franco Bahamonde led a mutiny in the same year, and after a civil war of 3 years, he became the head of the state in 1939. In 1947, Spain was declared a monarchy again. However, Franco continued as chief of state. After the death, King Juan Carlos I became the monarch of Spain in 1975, and a gradual return to democracy again began. A new constitution was drafted in December 1978. A new citizenship law was passed in December 2008, allowing descendants of those exiled from Spain during the Spanish Civil War to lay claim to Spanish citizenship. The new law is part of the Law of Historical Memory legislation that was passed the previous year. The next country is Sweden. Capital is Stockholm. Government constitutional monarchy. Area 449,964 square kilometer. Language Swedish. Religion Evangelical Lutheran 94%. Others 6%. Currency Krona. Life expectancy 80 years, ethnicity white 88%, others 12%, urban population 83.3%. Arable land 7%, agriculture, grains, sugar beets, potatoes, industry, iron and steel, vehicle, food processing, export, machinery, motor vehicles, chemicals, petroleum products, iron and steel products, import, clothing, petroleum, foodstuffs, iron and steel, chemicals. Geography. The Kingdom of Sweden is bordered by Norway west and north, Finland from east, the Baltic Sea from southeast, and the Skagerrak and Kattegat from southwest. The two main geographical regions of the country, over 100,000 lakes, make up nearly one third of the area. History. Sweden regained her independence in 1523. The war with Russia in 18th century resulted in disastrous damage for Sweden. During two world wars, Sweden remained neutral. On September 14, 2003, Sweden voted against joining the euro. Next country is Switzerland. Capital is Bern. Government is Federal Republic. Area is 41,290 square kilometer. Language German, French, Italian. Religion Catholic 49%, Protestant 40%, other 5%, no religion 8.3%. Currency Swiss francs. Life expectancy 80.6 years, ethnicity German 65%, French 18%, Italian 10%, others 7%. And urban population is 67.6%. Arable land 10%, agriculture, grain, fruits, vegetables, industry, machinery, chemicals, watches, textiles. Export machinery, chemicals, metals, import machinery, agriculture products. Geography. The Swiss Confederation is bordered by France from west, Germany from north, Austria and Liechtenstein from east, and Italy from south. About 70% of the country's area is mountainous. History. Switzerland fell successively to Germanic tribes, Swabia and Burgundy, and the Holy Roman Empire 1033. Switzerland remained neutral during the 30 Years' War, and its independence was recognized by the Peace of Westphalia in 1648. Ruth Dreyfus became the first female president of Switzerland on 9 December 1998 for a non-renewable one-year terms as per the constitution. Switzerland has joined the UN in September 2002, ending its hoary isolation from the international forum. Ukraine. Ukraine's capital is Kyiv. Government is Republic. Area 603,700 square kilometer. Language Ukrainian. Religion Orthodox 76%, Catholic and others 24%. Currency Hryvnia. Population 46.2 million, growth rate 0.7%. Life expectancy 67.9 years. Ethnicity Ukrainian 73%, Russian 22%, others 5%. Urban population 67.2%. Arable land is 58%, agriculture, grain, sugar, beets, sunflowers, vegetables. Industry, coal, electric, chemicals, food processing. Labor force 22.8 million, industry 32%, agriculture 24%, service 44%. Export, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, chemicals, food products. Import, machinery and parts, transportation, equipment, chemicals, energy, plastics, rubber. Geography. Ukraine is bounded by Russian Federation east and north, Belarus from north, Poland, Slovakia, Hungary from west, Romania, Moldova, the Black Sea and Sea of Azov from south. History. Following the Bolshevik Revolution, the Ukrainians in Russia established an independent republic in 1917, and in 1918, Austrian Ukraine proclaimed itself a republic. On December 5, 1991, the Supreme Soviet declared Ukraine's independence and it joined the CIS. Conflict erupted between Russia and Ukraine possession and regarding possession and transfer of nuclear weapons, military and political integration within the CIS, and Russia's supply of fuel to Ukraine. The IMF extended a $16.5 billion rescue package to Ukraine in November 2008 to boost its cash reserves and aid its currency during the global financial crisis. United Kingdom. Capital is London. Government is constitutional monarchy. Area 244,820 square kilometer. Language English. Religion Church of England, Church of Wales, Church of Scotland, Church of Ireland, Catholic, Baptist, Jewish and others. Currency Pound sterling. Population 60.7 million. Life expectancy is 78.7 years. Ethnicity English 81.5%, Scottish 9.6%, Irish 2.4%, Welsh 1.9%, Ulster 1.8%, Indian and others 2.8%. Urban population 89%. Arable land is 25%. Agriculture, cereals, oilseeds, potatoes, vegetables. Industry, machinery, metallurgy, electronics, software, vehicles, aircrafts. Export, machinery, transport equipment, chemicals, petroleum. Import, foodstuff, machinery, manufactured goods, etc. Geography. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland comprises of England, Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland and many islands. History. Though Parliament of England and Scotland united in 1707, the term United Kingdom came into being in 1800 when Ireland joined. The 1840s saw much immigration from Ireland and from areas of political turmoil in Europe, and again in 1880 the Victorian era, named after Queen Victoria 1837 to 1901, saw the growth of a democratic system of government that had begun with the Reform Bill of 1832. The two important wars in Victoria's reign were the Crimean War against Russia 1854 to 1856 and the Boer War 1899 to 1902. The latter enormously extending Britain's influence in Africa. Increasing uneasiness at home and abroad marked the reign of Edward VII 1901 to 1910. The nation was led by coalition cabinets headed first by Herbert Asquith and then starting in 1916 by the Welsh statesman David Lloyd George. Post-war labor unrest culminated in the general strike of 1926. King Edward VIII succeeded to the throne on January 20, 1936 at his father's death, but he abdicated on December 11, 1936 in order to marry an American divorcee, Wallis Warfield Simpson, in favor of his brother, who became George VI. After the end of the World War II, social upheaval in Britain was paramount. For the first time in over 300 years of parliamentary history, The Speaker of the House of Commons, Michel Martin, was forced to resign in June 2009 following a dispute over parliamentary expenses in Britain. Martin's successor will be chosen on June 22, 2009. Next country is Vatican City. Capital Vatican City. Government Pope assisted by a commission of cardinals. Area 0.44 square kilometer. Language Latin, Italian. Religion Roman Catholic. Currency Euro. Literacy 100%. Ethnicity Italian, Swiss. Geography. Vatican City is in Rome, Italy. It is situated on the Vatican Hill on the right bank of the Tiber River. History. It is the seat of the central government of the Roman Catholic Church, and the Pope is the absolute ruler. During the struggle for Italian unification from 1860 to 1870, most of this area became part of Italy. By an Italian law of May 13, 1871, the temporal power of the Pope was abrogated and the territory of the papacy was confined to the Vatican City. It has its own currency, postage stamps, citizenship rights, flag, diplomatic corps, newspaper, railway station, and broadcasting facilities. In 1929, the sovereignty of Vatican City was achieved by the government. The commission appointed by the Pope governed the Vatican City state. On April 2, 2005, John Paul died and Joseph Ratzinger of Germany took his place on April 19 as Pope Benedict XVI. So this was the last city. Now overseas territories under UK. First is Anguilla, capital Valley, the Valley. Area is 91 square kilometer. Currency East Caribbean dollar. So population is 12,446. Anguilla in the Caribbean Sea was colonized in 1650 by Saint Kitts. In 1967 and 1969, it tried to become an independent republic, but it became a dependency in 1971. A new constituency was formulated in 1982, ending the associated state of Saint Kitts, Nevis, Anguilla. Now, second is Bermuda. Capital is Hamilton. Area is 53.3 square kilometer. Currency Bermuda dollar. Population 63,000. GDP per capita $30,000. Literacy 98%. Bermuda is comprising of 300 coral rocks, islets and islands in the Atlantic Ocean. Bermuda group of islands were first discovered in 1503 by Juan Bermudez and named after his name. In 1684, the island came under the British Crown. Internal self-government was granted in 1968. British Indian Ocean Territory. Headquarters Victoria, Seychelles. Area 220 square kilometer. Population no permanent population. The territory in Indian Ocean consists of Chagos Archipelago and other small island groups. It was formed in 1965 by an agreement with Mauritius and the Seychelles. One of its islands is Diego Garcia, which was used during Gulf War 1991 as a support station. There is no permanent civilian population in this territory. British Virgin Islands. Capital Roadtown. Area 150 square kilometer. Currency US dollar. Population 21,272. A group of 36 islands, of which 20 are uninhabited, in the Caribbean Sea received a separate administration in 1956. These islands are economically dependent with the US Virgin Islands to the south. The principal islands are Tortola, Virgin Gorda, Anegada and Jost Van Dyke. Cayman Islands. Capital is Georgetown. Area 259 square kilometer. Currency Cayman dollar. Population 35,527. Situated in the Caribbean Sea near Jamaica, this territory consists of 3 islands. It became a British dependency in 1962. A new constitution approved in 1972 provided for a greater degree of autonomy. Falkland Islands, capital is Stanley, area 12,173 square kilometer, currency Falkland dollar, population 2,895. It is in the South Atlantic Ocean near Argentina. It is a bone of contention between UK and Argentina. Then Gibraltar, area 6.5 square kilometer, currency Gibraltar pound. Population is 27,714, situated at the south end of the Liberia Peninsula. Gibraltar serves as an entrance to Western Mediterranean. In 1981, the inhabitants of the land were given full British citizenship. Montserrat, capital Plymouth, area 100 square kilometer, currency East Caribbean dollar. Population 8,437. This island is in the Lesser Antilles of the West Indies. John Osborne became Chief Minister in 2001. Pitcairn Island, capital Adamstown, area 47 square kilometer, population 48. It is in the South Pacific, about midway between Australia and South America. St. Helena, capital is Jamestown, area 410 square kilometer, currency pound sterling, population 7,317. It is a remote volcanic island in the South Atlantic. South Georgia and South Sandwich Island area, 3,903 square kilometer, population no indigenous people. It is in the South Atlantic Ocean east of South America. Turks and Caicos Island, capital is Cockburn town, area 430 square kilometer, population 18,738, currency US dollar. These two groups of islands are near the Bahamas in the Caribbean. Derek H. Crown dependencies. Channel Islands, Jersey and Guernsey. This group of islands are lying in the English Channel. Both of them have separate capitals and separate currency. Isles of Man, situated in the Irish Sea, it continues to be administered by the government composed of the Lieutenant Governor, a Legislative Council, and a House of Keys, one of the most ancient assemblies in the world. Its capital is Douglas and its currency is called Isle of Man pound. So these are the overseas territories of UK, overseas territories under UK.